Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Look at this sunny weather.
It is absolutely stunning today. We heard about a really cool bakery from one of our subscribers. You want to go try it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Look how cute this menu is.
It's like on a cutting board.
It's adorable.
That's cool. So apparently this place is really well known for having very, very good sandwiches. We both ordered a couple of those. First time not having Thai food in a little bit, but I'm so excited. Is that hot?
So there's egg on it. You couldn't tell. So there's egg and there's cheese, bacon, and vegetables in it. And I think it's on a homemade fresh. The cheese is really sharp. It's really? Fresh cheese, yeah. Nice. Really good.
I got a huge veggie burger with fries. It was really good. Oh, that's good. The veggie patty tastes homemade. It's really good. Currently trying to figure out where to go next.
I think there's this little island up top that's connected by a sandbar.
Ooh, that looks cool.
We might check that out.
You ready for this?
It's kind of hot today.
It is very hot.
But yes, I'm ready. All right, so we saw signs for a waterfall along the way, so I think we're gonna stop and look at it. So it's 100 baht to get in per person, about $3 each. Should we do it?
What else are we gonna do today?
All right.
Looks like there are a million different waterfalls here.
So it turns out we wandered onto Phangan National Park, and it looks like there's a ton of stuff to do here, so we might actually just stay here all day.
A lot of waterfalls, a lot of butterflies.
Should be his favorite
cool.
things. Well, that's reassuring.
Yep. I gotta say, hiking is one of our favorite things, and so far this is really, really pretty. I'm glad that we stumbled upon this.
We've only gone like 10 feet.
It's so pretty.
And something else to be afraid of.
So I think because it's dry season, this waterfall doesn't have as much water. Here's what it usually looks like. And there's it right now. You gonna get in? It got pretty steep.
All right. It's like a full workout.
So these plants apparently are carnivorous and they eat things like flies, bugs. It's called a monkey cup. What are you doing? It's so pretty.
There's so many waterfalls.
Yeah, this one waterfall is just like never ending. It's so cool.
The air is so cool right here. It's great.
We're both sweating though.
Okay, update. It's been about an hour, and so far, no monkeys and no bugs.
Yay, it just keeps going up, up, up.
Yeah, it really does. It just feels like it doesn't end. But it sure is beautiful though. It kind of makes you feel like you're at the top of the jungle. This was definitely worth the hike up here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Just look at this. I mean, there's a waterfall there, a waterfall there, it leads to a pool there, and it just keeps going and going. That's so cool.
She is trying to cool off. Be careful. Is it really cold?
Oh, it's so good though.
Oh, that feels so nice. Okay, so the park closes in 40 minutes. We can either keep going up to the right or go to the left and do the viewpoint. What do you think?
Probably the viewpoint would be safer.
I thought so. That's why she's already going on the viewpoint trail.
Oh my God.
So getting away from the waterfall here, it's so peaceful and sounds so nice. Once again, Thailand is like being in a Ghibli movie.
Really though.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh. I know this isn't the highest peak on this island, but it sure feels like it.
Is the ocean back there?
I made a really good decision cutting through the forest to get here.
Yes, you did. This is so pretty. And we have about 15 minutes to make it somewhere down there. So we should really hurry. Let's go. Okay, so we made it down.
2 minutes late, but
That was pretty good. They're just getting ready to close up here. So I'm glad we didn't take our time. Ran into some really nice Germans and Norwegians on the way down. We had just talked to them. Really nice people.
But there's still some time left in the day, so I think we can still make it to the island we were originally on our way to.
All right, let's go.
Yeah? I want one. They're so cute.
I know. Instead of riding one of these.
Hey now. Hey now. Be nice. Let's go.
So there's this tiny island attached, or just off the coast of Koh Phangan called Koh Ma. And apparently you can just walk to it on a sandbar,
When it's low tide.
which I don't think it actually is right now. We'll see.
Yeah.
So that is the sandbar right there. So we watched a bunch of people, they are swimming across. So we came back, put everything in the bike, and we're gonna go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ooh, this is actually really nice.
The water's really nice after being so hot from hiking and everything.
You're so red.
Oh, I am, yeah.
Oh man, this is nice. And the sun's setting over there.
Downsides to being short. Tia's swimming, I'm walking. We're getting close. The sandbar's right there. How you holding up? We currently have our own personal island.
Only time in our lives we'll have our own island.
I told you I'd get you an island one day.
Come on!
This is pretty cool.
We officially walked island to island. Aww.
This is so pretty. We're lucky to be here.
I'm actually glad that we came here at high tide. It was kind of fun.
Just in time for sunset too.
Thanks for coming along with us on our Uncle Wiggly.
Good night, you guys.
Good night.
Oh, are you okay?